is rude, hate is ugly, and hate is disgusting. Free your mind and just leave it like that. Free your heart, spread the love and peace and faith. We all the same in this place called Earth. Life is not a game, people do get hurt. Everyone is telling us that we're young and free, so be good and tolerant and respect identity.
We are who we are and we all the same. For the life that we live there is no one to blame. We should work together, there is no need to hate. A man without love is a man without a faith. The world is a beautiful place to be. We should remove the borders between you and me. The world needs love, stop hating each other. Things gonna be better, so be patient, my brother.
And right here and right now we share love. It's one heart, it's one soul and one goal. If you don't know, then I'll show you how to go. So stay strong, come along and sing this song.
Together we can do it, sing for peace. We are all equal, let's fight for this. Let's be pretty, let's be smart, let's be how we are. You can all do it, you can shine like a star. Knowledge is the key to fight discrimination. Tall, short, white, black, we are all one nation. No more hate, no more pain, stop please, no more. We just need to be happy, not so hardcore.
I know underneath all those layers of disdain you like to hide your fear, and I understand it's easy to spread hate when you shout with the crowd. But I can't understand the world with all the venom in your mouth. And I heard you like to whine about the censorship and shout about the free speech, but you don't get the point of it. Do you think we came up with the freedom of expression so you could abuse the YouTube comment section?
This goes for the peeps and to kill your core. World is full of hate, we don't need it anymore. With the power of a man and the innocence of a child, use a true love potion and purify your mind. I'm done with playing, I wanna build and create. I'm making a shield to block out the hate. Barriers are strong, it's gonna be bulletproof. Fill your home with love, fill it through the roof.